So let me show you how to create AI videos using the Grok. It is very, very simple. But before you go to the tutorial, make sure you follow this page, you like and share to others. Add this video to favorite so that you can watch it any other time. But before, I use this picture to generate into this nice looking outfit, and I made a short advertisement for a water company. Let's watch it.
Welcome. Today I'm excited to introduce acoustic purified drinking water, our advanced process to create membrane. So patronize us, difference us, and let's take your refreshment to new places. Our distribution areas include Accra and Kumasi, and our main office is on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok. All right, time to head out.
So you can do that with just your Grok. So let's generate another video. So I'm going to use my picture to generate a guy singing in Nigerian accent. You understand? So let's watch out.
After downloading it, click on it, then you log in. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. So here you're going to see create videos, then you click on it, then you look down here, you're going to see the type to imagine section. Click on it, then you click on the image icon over here to select any photo. So after selecting your photo, you click on done, then you give a prompt to the photo. Okay, just write what you want the video to be doing. Okay, so let's wait and see something. Make the guy sing like a Nigerian. Something small like this. Let's see how it's going to be. Okay, so as you can see, it says creating video. So let's see how the video is going to be like.
See, as there's the sun they shine, I just they feel this groove is sweet my body well. Make we dance, no time to waste.
So guys, how do you see the video? I think it is very simple. Now take note, the free AI videos you will create with the Grok is just up to 6 seconds. You cannot create more than that. So you need to make it short. And for that, they will give you some number of videos to generate or images, and you can't generate again. You need to subscribe to get the premium one so that you can get all the features and the details that you all want. You understand? So take note that there's no free AI apps that can generate longer videos for you. You need to subscribe. You can just subscribe to 1 month or any choice that you think you want. You understand? So for you to get how you prefer it to be longer to, you need to subscribe to the app. You get it?